I welcome you to the execution of our framework, the thing what we have designed. So here we have designed in an excellent way. All our data we have taken that in the Excel, and from the Excel we are fetching the data. Yes. So here we have an Excel in a framework data sheet. So here we have an Excel file. From this Excel file we are trying to fetch the data, right? Yes. So that is what actually we have done it. So let me make even some changes to it. Simple. I'm trying to add something into username. That's it. So that I want to make them unique usernames, unique email IDs. So one thing, you need to close the test before running it. Few things actually. Okay. So repositories collection dot add. If you want, you can associate by this repositories collection dot add, or else we have a traditional way. Resources, associate repositories, browse the file dot tsr where it is existing. So I have taken that here. Where is that framework? Here we go. Framework, shared object repository file, logout, add to available actions. Perfect. So here we go. We have associated two ways. If you want, you can go with the code, or else you can go with that way. Okay. So if I write a line saying that at the top, on error, resume next, then basically if you get any errors or any mistakes or any runtime errors, it will not populate up. Don't think that your test will be passed. If we get any runtime errors, your test will be failed at any cost. But rather than showing it as a populated up, it will give you that in a test result window, but your test will be failed. Only the thing is that it will hide the runtime errors and your execution will also be not stopped. It will go ahead. We'll call this as an unattended way of running the script. Okay. The first, I'm expecting according to the requirement, first it should be Chrome, next to Chrome, then Internet Explorer. That is what actually I have written the code for. Hybrid framework, a robustic framework we are running it. Perfect. So Chrome has been successfully launched on the screen. Naukri.com is getting populated, guys. Just have a look on this. So parallelly watch the script as well as execution. Yeah, it's fetching the data very well. This is the first iteration actually. So this is what the use of functions, actions, and your data sheet. A simple and easy framework we have designed it. As in the organization it will be more complicated and more reusability comes into picture. We haven't used any recovery scenario. I have handled that using condition statements only. Okay. And environment variables, in this case I guess there is no need of environment variables, so that is I have not raked up. But we have taken an excellent one, that is regular expression we have went through. Yes, we have used shared object repository. See here, the first iteration, the browser has been closed. This is second iteration. Again, it is populating up Naukri.com. See here, the new fresh Naukri.com. The second time, second iteration. It repeats all the data once again, all the activities. Just see the execution flow. That's it. Completely unattended. Need not to do anything. Just write the script and run it and check the test result window, analyze it. That's enough. If you want, you can parameterize this also. I'm going to say this resume also. You can create 3 or 4 resumes and give the title, automatically it takes them. But I'm loading that only one file multiple times. Here we go. The next iteration. Congratulations, Kiran Kumar. It will click on logout and it will close this browser. Perfect. Now it opens Internet Explorer. Perfect. Internet Explorer on the screen. Naukri.com gets populated up. It will click on register us. Yes, everything going smooth. Username, password, click on sign in. All the data it fills. Perfect. Perfect. Now even it takes the resume now. So write 100 users also we can create it. Only thing is that write the data into your Excel sheet and run it. So if you want we can capture the screenshot also, but we haven't captured any screenshots. But if you want we can capture the screenshots also. I have commented them, but screenshot script is there in my scripting, but I have commented them. If you want we can uncomment and use it. And even we have a script for functions also. In this I have not used the function. We have created the function but we haven't used it. Even we can use function too. So I don't want to mesh it up with functions, actions and data driven. So I just thought like data driven and actions are enough. Chalo. It has closed everything. All the 3 iteration has been done. Your test has been stopped. Now let's move on to our test result window. Last run result. Here we go. We got some warnings. No worries about that. Current test ended with warning. We click on view. Maybe the warning related to object identification, I guess. Expand all. Here we go. Invoking the things, user registration 1. Warning, why is the warning for? Let me check it. Anyways, so just check our user registration. User registration successfully done. That is one report event. So just move on to the next report event. Just scroll down. It has done all the activity. Here we go. This exclamatory marks, maybe those are related to object identification. No worry. So this here represents smart identification here. Even this is also successful. And even our third one is also successful. All the 3 users successfully done. And not only that, even it has closed it and all the things has been successfully done. Just have a look on our test data. Here we go. Browser, Chrome, internet, email addresses, password, name. The thing what we need to see here, test pass, test pass, test pass. All those things has been passed. So it has been passed. Yes, if something went wrong, if it is not moved into this page, obviously it would have said it as a failed. As simple as it, right? So we can create much more reusable than this. I've made it very simple. Okay, so I don't want to make complicated. I have not added much more conditions and all that kind of stuff. If I add all those things, there are chances that you'll be go away from the actual point. So that is the reason I have made it very simple framework here. So in the next upcoming videos, we'll be having a framework on keyword driven. That is much more different than this keyword driven framework, but this is what the data driven plus actions driven. So it's a combination. We can call it as a hybrid framework. So you'll get this copy. Okay, so that's all from my end. Goodbye.